Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I finally got my BoxyCharm. Today, it's Wednesday the 15th. I finally got this thing in the mail. I've been waiting for this forever, it feels like. I'm so excited to open this because I've seen, like, for the most part, all the sneak peeks, and like, there's certain things I do want. So, I'm very excited to see what I got in this. Hopefully I got the stuff I was hoping for. We're about to find out. Okay, so here's this little cute thing called Breaking the Ice. Alright, we're gonna put that down, not look at it. First thing in here is Skin & Co. Rome Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Goomage. What is face goomage? You apply this to your face and your neck, gently massage with circular movements for 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid eyes. Remove with a damp, lukewarm face towel and pat dry. Okay, so this is worth $28. This is like heavy too, and it's cruelty free. So first thing, we got this. I have no idea if I wanted this or I wanted whatever was with it because I don't remember that, but we'll go with I don't know. I don't even know what this is either. Mana Kadar Beauty Simplified. I think this is lipstick. This is $21. It's Lip Whip. Open. So far, I haven't gotten the one thing I really wanted, and I don't have it in there. I can see. Oh no! I don't remember what I would get instead of that. I think, oh, I got the concealer. I wanted the Too Faced highlighter, but sadly. So it's either the Too Faced highlighter or Pretty Vulgar. I think this is concealer. Yeah, Undercover Little White Lies. I hope to God this is light enough. I think it is, but I'm pretty white, so that might be actually a little too dark for me. But let's rub it in. And yeah, it's a little yellow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but whatever. It works. Anyways, so this, since I just pulled this up, this is worth $25. Hopefully I got the palette I want. Ooh, this is pretty. This is in the color Faith. That's my little sister's name. That's the color of it. It's super pretty. I love this. It's like a great mauve color, so I will use this. This, I already told you this was $21. Okay, next in this box, I got the Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran something. It's an 8-hour, oh, it's a sleeping mask. 8-hour sleeping mask, and this is, no. This is $107. Really? Okay, whatever. This is $107, I guess. I don't believe that for some reason, but okay. And then last but not least, let's see which one I can't remember. The names are very interesting on these. But this is this palette. And this is Ace Beauty. This is $34.99. So this isn't the one I wanted, but honestly I was okay with getting either one because this is super pretty too. The other one is more like pinks, I think, but this is like a rainbow, and it's actually really pretty. I have another palette from them actually already that has more of like the warmer tones. So either one would have been fine with this because it's just so cool. These are cute though. I like the names. Sun, Daybreak, Horizon, Gleam, Grand Canyon. Golden Hour. Cactus. Sorry. This one's Cactus, the green one. That's so cute. I actually really like this palette. I have one from another BoxyCharm from last year, obviously. I don't remember. I think it's thinner than this, but these are like nice and thin wise, so they fit in a lot more spots, which is awesome. Okay. I have to look this up. I do not believe this is $107 for 1.69 flow ounces. That is a little bit interesting to me. So let's look this up real quick. Why? How? Hold on, everybody. I'm a little shook at the moment because I just don't understand this little tiny tube for $107. What is life? I'm shook. I don't understand. Okay, so on Nordstrom, yeah, it says that this was originally $107. This size, seriously, this little amount is $107, but it was on sale on this Nordstrom rack for $24.97. Okay, it is sold out obviously. I'm a little shook. Okay, whatever, fine. $107 for this. Okay. Now, let's add up the amount. Sorry, y'all, I had to make sure that wasn't like some BS. Not that BoxyCharm BS is or anything, but it's just a little bit psychotic, in my opinion. I love skincare, don't get me wrong, but I would not spend $107 on a mask. That's just me. But that's why I have this subscription, so I don't have to do stuff like that, and I still get it somehow. Okay, so the price of this box is $25 plus $85 plus $28 plus $107 plus $21. $216 is the value of everything in this. That's pretty good. Obviously, this makes up pretty much the whole box. That's okay. So we have a 8-hour mask, face goo. I don't know what this is exactly. I'm guessing it's a cleanser. Oh, it's a micro exfoliating truffle face mask, basically, I guess. So skincare, we have a concealer, this really pretty lip color that is named after my sister, and this palette. So this is what I got in my BoxyCharm. 3 makeup things and 2 skincare. I'm super stoked to use this. I'll have to do a look with this actually because it's super cute. And then this is obviously pretty and it's matted down now. And it feels really nice on my skin. So it doesn't feel like it's going to be one of those like super unbelievably dry ones. Hopefully this is light enough. I usually have to use like almost the lightest one that there is. So yeah. Anyways, that is everything I got in my BoxyCharm this month. I didn't get anything that I actually wanted, but I'm okay with getting this because either one would have been fine. I don't know why I wanted the other one so bad. Probably just because it's pink and that's my favorite color. So anything with a bunch of pink in it, I'm gonna like and gravitate towards. This is actually really cute. I have no idea what the opposite would have been, so I'm happy with this. The face products I'll definitely try, and then this I will try out. I really wanted that Too Faced highlighter so bad because the packaging is like everything, and then the colors were really pretty, but this works too. I mean, you can never have too much concealer, you know. That is true, I swear. That you like run out of the easiest out of all your makeup, so makes sense. Well, I do anyways, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love it if you guys would subscribe. I'm so close to 200. I know that's crazy because yeah, but I'm like so excited about it. So yeah, please subscribe. That'd be awesome. I'd be so happy. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!